Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. The Bitcoin market has 72-hour countdown starts now, as the title suggests. It's really simple what I'm looking at. It's not clickbait, guys. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the monthly candles, and I'd prefer for it to close a specific way, and that's what we're going to go over in this video. So that's why I say the 72-hour countdown starts now. So we'll get into the details. And also, one bonus, I want to show you an indicator that may be indicating that the market may be, the two operative words, setting up for a pretty intense move, and it's not to the upside. So we'll get into the details, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome to new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Showing. So today's September the 27th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $42,530.28, slightly positive 0.8% for the day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys are doing well out there. So here's a reason why I say the 72-hour countdown, guys. It's super simple, actually. Yeah, so that's it. So the 3 days to close the monthly candle, it has about 2 days and 21 hours to close this active red candle here. So basically what I want to see is I want to see it close as a green candle. When I say I want to see it, it's not necessarily me wanting to see it. It's for me to understand what could take place next in the market. So yeah, for me to have like a better understanding, just kind of based on the candlesticks only. That's why I say I'd want it to close as a green candle. Because if you guys follow us closely, what we say sometimes is that, well, I mean, we've mentioned it before, and I didn't make this up. Bitcoin has 3 to 6 month cycles. Okay, it has like bullish cycles and bearish cycles, and like right off the bat, if you don't like see it, it's obvious right there, right? Like these are 6 green candles. Okay, so this is the 6 month bullish cycle, and then if you look just to the right of it there, this is a 3 month sell cycle from the sellers, right? The red candles represent selling, green candles represent buying if you're new. So of course, as of recently here, we got 2 green candles, and I'd like to see the red candle currently there close as a green candle to complete or continue the 3 to 6 month Bitcoin bullish cycle here in the short term. So that's basically what I was looking at, guys, the 3 days to close. Now, so that pretty much wraps up the video. So I know you guys want me to say like, what do I think is going to happen? It's too early for me to call. Let's do this. The monthly candle, if the monthly candle closes as a red candle, I'll give you guys an immediate update for the monthly close, because I think it's pretty important, guys. When the higher time frames close like this, we're actually up against a 3-month close as well, but let's keep it simple. When the monthly close, I'll give you guys an update and assess what I think could happen after the monthly close. So I don't have a prediction right now. Let's give it 3 days. And the last bonus that I wanted to show you guys, that again, this is all speculation, but I'm going to show it to you here. This is not a bullish indication, and it's somewhat of a bearish indication if it happens. And why don't I show the indicator already? Here we go. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing on the screen is the MACD. Now, the white circle actually represents a potential cross down. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is not the daily, this is not the weekly stuff, this is the monthly. So if we do in fact get a cross down, what you want to look for is the blue line to cross below the orange line. Now, if the blue line crosses below that orange line, we are in for some pretty tasty discounts. What do they call them? Tendies or something like that? I don't know. Discounts incoming, guys. So this is something that you might not want to take lightly if you're, heavily long Bitcoin. And again, if this happens, it's not a scare tactic, guys. It's not a scare tactic, because I think Bitcoin is a long-term play. Simply accumulating Bitcoin, dollar cost averaging. If you're doing that, this video is not for you. Okay, well, I mean, it's for you, you're welcome here. I'm just saying, like, I'm not trying to scare anyone, but this is the information in the charts that would more than likely, to me, in my book, determine whether or not Bitcoin is going to enter, I don't want to take off the bulls, but a bear market. Okay, so that's pretty much how I'm looking at the charts, with the exception of a few other things. But I wanted to keep this really simple and let everyone know that MACD cross down is an indication that, yeah, we got to get prepared to I know don't say load the boat, but if I did have to choose one time to say that cliche, I definitely use it in this case. Get ready to load the boat, but not as soon as the market crosses down. Of course, you have to pull up your charts and identify reversal candles, preferably on the 3-day or weekly candles, and then start to execute or strategically enter on Bitcoin. All right, but we're ahead of ourselves, guys. Well, I'm ahead of myself. All right, the cross has not happened. So let's let it play out. I think, let's say less than 60 days, we should have a good idea of what's going on. So yeah, if you are not subscribed, definitely subscribe here, guys. I've been through bear markets. I've been through the bull market, the most recent bull market, right? And we're still in a bull market, by the way. Okay. So definitely subscribe with us, and I'll do the best that I can to keep you guys informed on the moves before they happen, not after the fact. All right. So let's wrap up the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully that was interesting. The MACD, you can use it on lower time frames as well, like the daily, the weekly, but the higher the time frame, the more significant the cross, whether it's a cross up or down. They're pretty powerful, guys. Check out the MACDs, and I think that's the first time we've showed it here, or maybe a few times. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. I won't take any more of your time. Thank you for your time. So if you could, go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content or if you learned something. And this way, the YouTube algorithm can promote this video on this channel. So thank you for your support, guys, all of you, all right? If you are new, we explored the regular stocks throughout the week. So if you can kindly join us here on this interesting, intense journey sometimes, we'll send that out to you when it is available. Welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, be sure to execute your strategies in the market. Always be kind. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk very soon, and bye for now, guys.